एक डॉक्टर की लाइफ में पेशेंस ही सब कुछ होते हैं और हम बोलते हैं कि पेशेंस आर ओनली गॉड। जब पेशेंट ठीक होते हैं तो एक किक आती है, सब सक्सेस की किक आती है, पर कभी ना कभी बहुत चैलेंजिंग केसेस आते हैं। अ केस लाइक अमिता इवन टुडे और इवन इन फ्यूचर would be one of the most challenging cases for any bariatric surgeon anywhere in the world. 300 kg of weight, more than 100 BMI, only one kidney, with kidney failure in that kidney, uncontrolled diabetes, breathless at rest, even couldn't get up or walk, low oxygen saturation, extreme fluid retention were all extremely difficult challenges of the time. Shifting her out of the house was a real challenge. It would take a strength of 15 people to lift her up. A special car without a door was prepared for her and a 5 feet sofa was placed inside where she could occupy the entire back seat of the sofa and the car. सभी एनेस्थेटिस्ट सभी ने बोला बहुत हाई रिस्क केस है, और सो बिजी, क्यों इसमें ले रहा हूँ, पर ये सेटिस्फैक्शन कुछ अलग होता है। उसकी मम्मी ने बोला मैं 10-15 साल से कहीं नहीं गई हूँ, आई एम 24/7 with her just like a baby. We started preparing her and every 2 weeks we had one step forward, one milestone achieved. She started breathing better, she started getting up with great difficulty, but she started getting up. Then she had first few steps. It is just, the pleasure was just like when a baby takes first few steps. And she started attempting, she started losing weight, and a day came when we were confident that we should be able to take her for laparoscopic procedure. And then we finished the procedure just in 30 minutes. She became conscious and awake on the table, and to our surprise, she walked in a few hours and did not even need an intensive care unit. Life transformed for her and for us as well. Our confidence built more. The satisfaction was at the peak when, after 4 years, I could see her moving around in a mall.
मेरी लड़की अमिता 8 साल पहले चल फिर नहीं सकती थी। एक रूम में से दूसरे रूम में जाने के लिए उसको बहुत ही तकलीफ होती थी। 4 इंच से ज़्यादा स्टेप होएगा तो 5 इंच का स्टेप भी उतर नहीं सकती थी। लास्ट साल हम लोग हरिद्वार गए थे तो जो एक पायरी भी नहीं चढ़ती थी वो एक साथ में 25 पायरी फटाफट चल गई। सब देखने लगे, सबको लगा ये चल ही नहीं पाएगी। हमारे पहले हम लोग गाड़ी में उतने में तो ऊपर पहुंच गई थी। अभी वो अकेली ट्रेन में, लोकल ट्रेन में जा सकती है, पूरे दिन घूमती है, फिरती है, एक थोड़ी देर भी आराम नहीं करती है। दिन में 15 घंटा काम करती रहती है।
You know where are we? We are at Versailles Fort.
Her mother said, इतने साल के बाद मैं पहले अकेली कहीं जा रही हूँ। पहले मेरी टेंशन होती थी कि बेटी घर में मैं कहीं भी नहीं जा सकती हूँ, और अभी मेरा टेंशन है बाहर जाती है तो जल्दी घर नहीं आती है। शी इज़ एंजॉइंग लाइफ, शी इज़ मूविंग अराउंड इन द वर्ल्ड, समथिंग विच शी नेवर इमेजिन वुड हैपन. It's not only that she didn't imagine, many of the clinicians, doctor, society, no one could imagine that Amita, could have her own life someday. Today she is independent, earns on her own, she is a confident young lady enjoying life. Bedridden for 8 years, confined to home for 12 years, for Amita today with a massive weight loss of 214 kg, life would be just full of happiness, satisfaction and dreams for Amita. I cannot even imagine how many dreams she would be having in her mind. She's just thinking of going, enjoying, roaming around in the world, making new friends, making new connects and making a new life for herself. This is real job satisfaction of an attempt for a doctor, and that is why we feel that patients are God to us. They give us this satisfaction, they give us this energy, enthusiasm, confidence to dedicate rest of our life to treating patients. Maybe The only pleasure is more patience.